severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, Giles County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Pulaski, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pulaski, Ardmore, Cornersville, Elkton, Minor Hill, Good Spring, Francoon, and Prospect. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.